In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly switch your document view using Read Mode. If you often find your screen cluttered with numerous editing tools and menus while working on documents, using Read Mode can provide a cleaner, more focused viewing experience. Let's dive into this simple yet effective method to enhance your document readability. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your screen where you see the View menu. Clicking on View will present you with various layout options. Among these options, you'll find Read Mode. Selecting this will instantly transform your screen, temporarily hiding various editing tools and menus. What you're left with is a much simpler and cleaner view of your document, which can be incredibly helpful if you're focusing solely on reading or proofreading your content without the distractions of toolbars. Now, you might be wondering about how to switch back to your usual editing mode once you've finished reviewing your document. The process is just as straightforward. Simply head back to the View menu at the top of the screen. This time, you'll select Edit Document. Doing so will return your screen to its previous state, complete with all your familiar editing tools and options. It's important to note that using Read Mode doesn't equate to full-screen editing. While it doesn't maximize your document to the entire screen, it does significantly reduce the presence of toolbars, giving you that much-needed cleaner view. This focused environment is especially beneficial when you need to concentrate on the content of your document instead of the formatting or additional edits. Consider utilizing this feature when you need to review long documents or if you're preparing a piece for a presentation or a report. Eliminating distractions can often lead to a more thorough read-through, catching details you might have missed amidst the usual clutter of editing options. Plus, toggling between Read Mode and regular Edit Mode is virtually effortless, allowing for seamless transition whenever you need. Remember, this feature is designed to enhance your ability to interact with your document in a streamlined manner. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who frequently works with documents, understanding how to effectively use different view options can boost your productivity and make your workflow more efficient. So there you have it, a quick guide to using Read Mode to optimize your document viewing experience. Give it a try next time you're working on a project. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.